Hi, I'm Uff, and today we're gonna talk about 5 things that you can do to fool people into thinking you're better at makeup than you actually are. Call me Uff. Number 1, lighting. Lighting is everything. When you take pictures, when you record a video of you in makeup. Get some really even light, some soft light, soft boxes, a ring light, or natural light. It will make you look so much better. Number 2, get some really good wigs. Some gorgeous styled wigs that will just impress everyone, and the attention will just go to the wigs and not your makeup. Number 3, if you can't afford like a really fancy wig, maybe get a wig with bangs or cut your own bangs. Seriously, like most queens struggle with their eyebrows. So if you just cover them up with some hair, it will look so much better. Number 4, do some really artistic makeup that people might not even know references to. So they don't have these references to be like, oh, well, you don't look like a woman, you don't look like a man when you do makeup. Well, you don't want to look like that. You want to look like art. And if you do something very unusual, people will think, oh, wow, that's impressive. Number 5, contact lenses. Yeah, that's right. If you get maybe some really unusual ones with some maybe unnatural eye colors or like some very rare eye colors, it will immediately make your eyes pop, and your eyes will be the focal point of your face and not the makeup anymore. So these were my 5 tips on how to fool people into thinking that you're better at makeup than you actually are. What do you think? Do you agree? Do you disagree? Please let me know, write me a comment, and I'll see you soon.